are in village Kautrup, which is a Methi village in Imphal West district and borders Kangpokpi. So this fall on the fringes, which is the border of the Kuki and the Methi area. This where I'm standing right now is the place where the first drone bomb attack happened on 1st of September. This is the area, as you can see, so many vehicles have been burned due to the falling of the bombs. Locals here and village defense volunteers here who are posted in this region tell us that over 50 to 60 bombs were lobbed in this region of just 2 to 300 meters by drones. Now they say that they have in the past sighted drones in the area, but usually they felt that they are used by the people who are living in the hills for surveillance. But this was the first time that these bombs were lobbed using these drones. In fact, the Manipur police also in its statement has said that this means that the war has escalated to another level. The warring communities have now started to use sophisticated weapons to attack each other, and this, like I said, was the first instance of drones being used to lob bombs. We'll be speaking to some of the defense volunteers who are not willing to come on camera, but I have told them that we'll be blurring their faces and they'll tell us as to what really transpired on the afternoon of 1st September. So, आप बताओ, यहाँ पे सबसे पहले बॉम्ब गिरे थे 1 सितंबर को. आपने मुझे बताया कि पहले ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ. उस दिन हुआ क्या था, कितने बजे शुरू हुआ?
वो 2 बजे का आसपास में हुआ था कि फर्स्ट टाइम हम लोग सोच रहा था कि वो ड्रोन चेक, मतलब हमेशा यहाँ पर सर्विलेंस चेक करने आता है. हाँ. सारे आसाम राइफल के साथ भी रहते हैं उन लोग. तो हम लोग सोच रहा था कि ऐसे नॉर्मली उड़ रहा है, लेकिन अचानक से उन लोग आसमान से कुछ सामान गिरा था. जैसे कि वी थॉट दैट इट्स बी लाइक समथिंग रॉकेट एंड ऑल दैट फ्लाइंग डाउन. सो हम लोग सोच रहा था, लेकिन अचानक से 5-6 सेकेंड्स के बाद यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट गिर के फाटना शुरू किया है. इस 60-70 बॉम्ब वाज falling down here.
Oh my God. तो कब तक, कितने टाइम तक ये बॉम्बिंग चलता रहा?
4 घंटा पूरा, 4 hours. पूरा 4 घंटा यहाँ पे बॉम्बिंग कटे गया. उसके बाद हम लोग बैक कटे गया था यहाँ से, हम क्योंकि वो हम लोग इतना वेपन्स तो हम लोग के पास नहीं है. we were from the Meitei community, so that we don't have any sophisticated weapons. So हम लोग प्रोटेक्ट करते करते गया है, बैक करते गया. अचानक से 3 घंटे के बाद सारे गढ़ जलाना शुरू किया है उन लोग यहाँ पे घुस के.
According to sources in the security establishment, the drones used to drop bombs were assembled but were sophisticated, good enough to carry a bomb weighing over 800 grams to 1 kg. Drones, sources said, were seen doing sorties, that is, threw a bomb, went back and came again loaded.
As the bombing began at around 2 p.m., people here tell us that there were 50 to 60 bombs that were lobbed just within a span of 2 to 3 hours. Most of them fled from the area and went downhill to protect themselves. In fact, you can see behind me that a lot of devastation was caused due to the bombing. People here also tell us that a lot of houses were also set on fire by some of the miscreants who then, when the bombing stopped, came down to this area and set houses on fire. Now, the IRB has been deployed in the area for the safety of the locals. तो आप लोग जब बॉम्ब गिरना शुरू हुआ, कितने लोग थे यहाँ पे और कहाँ फिर भागे आप लोग?
हम लोग नीचे में भागा था. हम लोग यहाँ पर उस टाइम पे 20-30% was there. ठीक है. हम लोग इतना ही आदमी था हम लोग यहाँ पर.
अच्छा, थोड़ा ये विलेज डिफेंस के बारे में हमें बताओ कि आप कब से यहाँ पर हो और कितने बंकर यहाँ पर हैं, कैसे आप लोग शेड्यूल में काम करते हैं?
हम लोग यहाँ पर 1 साल 3 महीना हो गया यहाँ पर. और हम लोग एक्चुअली यहाँ से नहीं हूँ, हम लोग सिटी एरिया, इम्फाल सिटी एरिया से है सारे, ज़्यादातर आदमी. पूरा जितना भी मणिपुर का डिस्ट्रिक्ट के एक आदमी करके हम लोग यहाँ पर विलेज वॉलंटियर फोर्स बना के यहाँ पर डिफेंस के लिए सिर्फ हम लोग रहना पड़ा, क्योंकि यहाँ पर उन लोग पहले भी आया था जलाने के लिए घर, इसके लिए प्रोटेक्शन के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पर रहना पड़ा है. हाँ.
तो अभी जब उस दिन 1 सितंबर को ये अटैक हुआ, फिर 2 सितंबर को फिर से हमें पता चला कि दोबारा से बॉम्ब गिरे थे, तो सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस, सीआरपी, असम राइफल और बाकी के जो मणिपुर पुलिस, आर्मी, उनका क्या रोल रहा है?
उनका तो कुछ भी रोल नहीं था, आया भी नहीं था यहाँ पर. सारे स्टेट फोर्स आया था, लेकिन मणिपुर स्टेट फोर्स कमांडो आया था, वेपन्स लोग लेके आया था, रक्षक वगैरह लेकर फिर चला गया. हम लोगों ने अपोलोजाइज किया कि मतलब गवर्नमेंट को साइड से यहाँ पर प्रोटेक्शन करने के लिए सारे कम से कम 1 ईयर से हम लोग उन लोगों को बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन हम लोग को बात नहीं सुनता है.
अच्छा, और अभी यहाँ पे आईआरबी पोस्ट किया है इन्होंने?
हाँ, आईआरबी पोस्ट करवा दिया यहाँ.
ओके, तब से 1 सितंबर से.
According to sources, among the bombs thrown was a mix of crude, that is, locally made ones, and fine factory made bombs. The bombs, sources said, weighed around 300 to 400 grams and were 9 to 10 inches in size. In a few bombs, the plastic body on the outside also had Cookie Land engraved on it and had a hook on it to hang it to a drone, sources confirmed. The security forces have now started conducting searches, combing operations, and area domination exercises within 5 kilometers of the villages in the hill areas.
This is one of the houses that allegedly was set on fire by miscreants on the same day on 1st of September when the bombing took place. The village defense volunteers who have been here in this area for almost 1.5 years tell us that they have not received any support from either the state government, central government or the security forces whenever they have raised concerns about their security. In fact, right now they tell us that they themselves have taken charge of their security and have created 5 to 6 bunkers in the area, and 6 to 7 of them are deployed in these bunkers at any given point of the day, and they work in schedules of 3 to 4 hours. While the security forces have told us that they have taken measures to ensure that these places are secured by placing anti-drone guns, which they are now planning to actually put in 8 to 9 places, essentially in the fringe areas where most of the violence has been happening in the last 1.5 years. But it remains to be seen if the situation will be under control or if it will worsen further. This is Ananya Bharadwaj with Suraj Bisht reporting from Manipur for The Print.